It's all you, Carlos. Carlos Cardinal. We're watching you. Beautiful Cardinal. Takes good care of his family. Feeds the babies. Works really hard. Looks like a family reunion out there, doesn't it? It's been going on like this for 2 hours. And I've got lots of food in that feeder. A lot of happy birds. And I bet they'd be even happier if they know that you're watching them. I think it won't be long. Carlos is going to be molding his feathers for fall. It's not quite as red. Where you going, Carlos? Where you going now? Lots of feeders out there.